Hi, today I'm going to show you how to design colorful worksheets in Canva. So we're on canva.com, we're going to click on school and then worksheet. Here you have different templates that you can use in your classroom. You have math worksheets, English, social studies. So if you run out of ideas, you can use these templates with your students. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. I'm gonna zoom so you can see the information better. Okay, so this one is in black and white. I'm gonna change the font color. Okay, so this image says remove watermarks. So it means that you have to pay for the image. So I'm gonna remove the image and later I will choose a free image. I'm going to continue changing the color. The good thing is that you can drag the text boxes wherever you want to move them. Okay, now I'm gonna change the background. Let's go to background here. And you can choose whatever color background you like. Okay, I like this one. I'm going to add images. You're gonna click on elements and type a specific word. I'm gonna type notebook. Okay, let's try this one. Let's make it smaller and drag it over here. Okay, let's type question mark. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. I changed some other images and now I think it looks really cool. I like it. It's very colorful. Okay, let's say that you want to create your own worksheet. You have to go and click on create a design and you have to click on worksheet. Okay, so we have the templates, but we're gonna choose background. Okay, I'm gonna choose this blue background. I'm gonna add a text box. So I'm gonna make this worksheet for the first day of school. So I'm gonna write, let me introduce myself. Okay, you have to click on elements and you have different options, lines, shapes. I'm gonna click on shapes. And I'm going to add this shape that I really like. You can change the color, okay? I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna use black. Okay, so let's click on the text box and we're going to we're gonna type some information. You can click here and you can align the text easier. Okay, let's go to elements and let's go back because I want to insert some lines. So I'm gonna check here where it says lines. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, we're gonna add some images. Let's type book, for example. Anyway, I'm gonna copy and paste the same shape on the bottom. So this is how it looks like, guys. So you can download it. You can download it on PDF or as an image. I have another video that I can show you how to make your worksheets fillable or editable for your students. You can check out the other video. Here, I'm just going to download it as an image. Just click on download. And here we have it. Thank you for watching, guys.